Comes a time you gotta do something drastic. Yeah. I guess it was time. I don't know, guys. You're probably gonna hate me for this one, but just gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Now, you guys know I love my 92, but continuous problems, continuous issues after such a huge cash outlay to get that thing rolling. You guys also know how much I love these regular cabs. So, I don't know. Alright, so, y'all drop me a comment below. Did I do something stupid? Maybe this was the best thing. I don't know. I seen Brutal enjoying his new 2021 GT. Having a great time. I ain't gonna lie. This damn truck's a whole hell of a lot of fun. Oh, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely different. Got me thinking a lot. I feel like maybe this was the right choice. I love the truck, but, you know, I don't know. No, I didn't trade my car for a regular cab. Come on, y'all. I ain't saying, no, I am saying. Anyway, let's get into the issues here, because we got some. Alright guys, so we hooked up the electrical tester to figure out my fans. If you caught the last video, this fan was not functioning. And like I said in that video, they share power and ground. So if one's working, in theory the other one should be working. But we put the probe on it, put power to the fan itself, boom. It fired right up, all that, and then came over here with where everything hooks into the control pack, powered it there, and lo and behold, it worked. So it looks like the culprit is going to be this pigtail. These fans, the kit comes with pigtails for each fan, and I guess the pigtails just, who knows, but we unplugged it, plugged it back in, and all of a sudden it started working again, which leads us to the next issue. So with that sorted out, we were like, all right, let's go ahead and charge the air. It's freaking hot. I'm old. I don't want to drive around with no air. So we were charging the air, and almost done, and this line blew. And when I say it blew, boom, sounded like a damn gun going off. But anyway, got it back hooked in there and got it charged up. Air was blowing cold, but guess what? Neither fan was working. So that's kind of where we're at the moment. I don't know what in the hell is going on. Like I said, the probe, we put power to them, everything was good, and charged the air, and now neither of them are working. So slowly but surely, plugging away at this, gonna figure it out. Hopefully it's something simple. But I made a post on my Facebook page, and a lot of you guys were feeling it. Doesn't matter what you do, how new everything is, you do everything right, you check it twice, these cars will find a way to break something and ruin your freaking day. It's so true. Everything brand new on the car, doesn't matter. They're gonna find some way to mess with your head. All right, boys, so what is the what with Pop's car? We've had a lot of stuff get done. A lot of it I haven't filmed just because we need to get it done and get it cleared off the lift because we got so much going on. But let's start out right down here. Is that the, I'm sorry. I love the white. Anyway. So we got our Cobra brakes on here. And then got the Steeda coilovers. You guys remember these are the Steeda Pro Action struts, obviously, that I had before. And all you got to do to make them coilovers is just buy the Steeda coilover kit. And we are great. We are golden. Got the Steeda bump steer kit on there. Got the Prothane end links. And of course, we've got the Steeda sway bar. So freaking... this car ought to handle like nothing else. I'm super pumped. And we got some decent ass brakes to go with it. All right, moving on under the hood. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but a lot has been done. So let's get rolling here. So this is what I was waiting on from Anderson Motorsport. I guess Vortech might have been a little back ordered. It took a minute. But got this from Anderson Ford Motorsport. So we got the aluminum discharge pipe, and then we got the max flow race bypass. I'm gonna get way down there so you can see it. Got the max flow race bypass, and then of course got the 3-inch Anderson power pipe. You guys need to talk to Anderson. They have been a godsend on this build. What else? So yeah, both belts are on. I've just got to adjust tension on the supercharger, but both belts are on. I did go back to the stock water pump pulley and the stock crank pulley. I don't have any cooling issues now that we got boost, and I didn't want to order another crank pulley, so we're good there. Plugs are all set. All the vacuum is taken care of, except for I still got to plug this off, and I got a screw in breather for the valve cover. And then, you know, I'm running an open PCV line with a -8 fitting back there. So if that's not enough ventilation, I may have to revisit this and take the valve covers and have some -8 bungs welded in and run a catch can. We'll see. Not real sure. We're probably going to end up seeing around 10 pounds of boost. And if that's not enough ventilation, then we'll have to dig a little deeper. I'm hoping it works. But if not, hey, we'll just go back and redo it the right way. Run two breather tubes off the valve covers and stick a catch can somewhere in this mess. All right, so on the inside, this is kind of the part that's not really much fun, but you can see the cluster is in. Let me get you a little closer. And of course it's black so you can't see it, but so the cluster is in. Just finishing up some wiring right there. And I also got all the wires run for my wideband, so that's good to go. And then we've got the MS3 Pro. I had to pull it back out because we had to put all these connections on for the wideband and control my cooling fans and all of that good stuff. But it's pretty much ready to go back in the car. It's close, boys. I'm about to. Should we just do it?
Why not?
Yeah.
Will it go or blow?
I mean, yeah, it'll go or blow. It ain't going right now.
It might be just a note.
Yeah, it may just. I don't have a clue. I don't know. Uh-oh. Guys, we don't have a freaking clue what's gonna happen. But we wanted to see if it would make noise.
It just ain't firing the pump up.
It's, yeah. It's...
It wants to go.
We probably need to hook up tuner. Yeah, we know everything's good back there. So, we just dropped the tank to make sure everything's good because we weren't getting fuel pump prime and everything was good there. So I'm thinking I need to get in Tuner Studio and figure something out there. It's probably what it is. So nothing's changed as far as that goes. She did crank nice. Huh? Oh, that's the old alternator. We're on one wire. 130 amp now, so don't need that. Yeah. I didn't do that. Oh, come on. Still got power?
Yeah, do it again.
Come on. It's coming on with the key. It's getting power. Oh, come on. Ah.
Yeah, it's
Something's goofy.
got power when you're cranking.
Yeah, because I could hear your probe going on and off as I turn the key. So we're getting power back there. Damn thing sounded like it wanted to crank. Come on. Oh! Oh yeah. I can't believe it. We actually made blower noises today. One more time.
I think it's just dumping too much fuel.
Probably.
Those bigger injectors.
It don't know what injectors are in it. Yeah, man. Doing it, bro. Doing it. Woo! Good God! Look at all the smoke.
Hell yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
What about that, Kevin?
That's what I'm talking about.
We smoked it out in here. It doesn't have a clue what injectors are in there. All we did is just hook it up and fire it.
Where's your laptop at?
Huh?
Where's your laptop?
I need to go ahead and do it. Well, I can't download it because the internet's down at the moment.
Oh, man.
Damn.
You should...
I freaking love it. Oh yeah, we're not quite ready, but
It's searching.
there it is.
Yep, there we go.
MS3. So we got Tuner Studio downloaded. Yeah, our internet service is down, so it's making life a little difficult today.
Yeah.
Offline. Was it need an update?
I don't know.
Ain't no telling. But the cool thing is that's how we're going to be able to tune it, and we're going to go through all of that. So we still got quite a bit to do. But man, she made noise today. Unfortunately, we haven't finished wiring the cluster. It's still smoky in here. You may not be able to see that. Still got to finish wiring the cluster, but you guys will be able to see that very soon. How excited are you for that?
I'm ready to see it.
Dude, me freaking too.
I was hoping it lit up.
It looks freaking sick in there. No, it won't light up at the moment.
Man.
It's plugged into the factory plugs, but not the, we don't have the rest of the stuff hooked up. I gotta do finish the wideband too. But we're close. All right, boys, I am freaking stoked. We are nearing the finish line on Pop's car. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so freaking happy. One other quick note, guys. The rat rod Coyote swap, we're going to be firing up that very soon. Very, very excited about that. You Coyote swap guys, you're going to want to check this out. Like I was telling you in the last video, it is not a control pack. So we're going to hook this thing up, run through it, let you know what we think. So far, it's pretty damn nice. Very well engineered kit, a lot of expandability. So very excited about that. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not. Do that now. If you enjoyed this one, please drop me a big thumbs up. Catch you on the next one.